Calico, and the origin of cats. This is Mount Olympus, the home of the gods. This is where the throne rooms are, and this is Hera's throne room. Inside of Hera's throne room is Hera. She is enraged with Zeus because he had hooked up with Calico and she is pregnant with 14 kids. He decided to pull a curse on her. This is Catlandia. And this is Calico. Calico was like a regular human, except that she had cat ears and a tail. Otherwise, she was perfectly normal. This is her husband, Zeus. He is actually the husband of Hera, but is famous for running off and having kids with other women. They are in love. One day, Calico was walking through the woods of Catlandia when she met a strange old woman with a cane. She suddenly transformed into Hera. She was enraged with Calico. Super, you can't have your babies anywhere on Gia spell. Calico was confused and then was engulfed in the swirling green mist. Zeus was snipping it and then he zoomed off to help her. He was enraged with Hera, so they flew off to see Hades. He talked with her so she could have her babies in Tartarus. The end.